Chia seeds are a type of superfood that really boosts your energy. They are high in nutrients and greatly enhance your health. Let's look at the incredible advantages your body will gain if you consume chia seeds every day. First, they slow down the aging process. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, which cause cell damage and deteriorate skin tissue. Free radicals also cause heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. So remember to add a spoonful of chia seeds to your breakfast bowl to prevent skin damage and early signs of aging. Second, they promote weight loss. Chia seeds make you feel satiated and naturally prevent overeating. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds can give you 40% of the fiber required for a day. Consuming lemon water and chia seeds in the morning is excellent for weight loss. 1 glass of lemon juice in the morning can burn a minimum of 6 calories of energy. Soak half a teaspoon of chia seeds in water overnight or for an hour in the morning. Take a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well, and then add the soaked chia seeds. Drink it on an empty stomach. Third, chia seeds are good for the heart. Quercetin, a very beneficial antioxidant in chia seeds, can help fight heart disease. The seeds are also high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower bad cholesterol and high blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Soak chia seeds overnight and add them to your cereal bowls. Chia seeds can go in fruit juices or smoothies, either in the morning, evening, or between meals. Fourth, they improve bone strength. Chia seeds are a calcium-rich food. 1 ounce contains approximately 180 milligrams, or 18% of the daily requirement, which is important for healthy bones. They are very good for optimal muscle and nerve functioning. Chia seeds also have magnesium and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. Fifth, chia seeds may reduce spikes in blood sugar. They slow down the rate at which the body releases glucose, lowering the blood sugar increase after consuming carbohydrates in the morning. This will help those with type 2 diabetes. The easiest way to ensure that you consume chia seeds regularly is to add them to your food. They can be consumed raw or soaked. Now you know how wonderful these tiny seeds are. Add this superfood to your daily diet to gain the maximum benefits I have mentioned, as well as many more. Stay healthy and stay fit. Please be advised. Medical disclaimer. This content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or any other qualified health providers with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. So, did this video help you? Let me know in the comments below. We would love to hear how natural remedies has changed your life, and be sure to follow us for new videos like this in the near future. The one place for your health and healing needs, only on the Heal Network. Be healthy, heal greatly, and love your life.